Hi y'all, welcome and welcome back to our introduction to desire satisfaction theory. In this video, we continue our study of value theory, the branch of philosophy that asks one of the most important questions we can ask. What makes a life good? In other words, what does it mean to live well, and what does well-being consist of? These questions matter because they shape how we live, how we pursue our goals, and how we understand human flourishing. Desire satisfaction theory, abbreviated here as DST, gives us a compelling answer. According to this view, your life goes well when your desires are satisfied. Well-being is determined by whether or not you get what you want. It's as simple and as powerful as that. The theory does not claim, like hedonism, that happiness or pleasure is the only good thing. Instead, it says whatever you desire, if you get it, that's good for you. If you don't get it, that's a setback for your well-being. The central claim of desire satisfaction theory can be summarized in one sentence. Something is good for you if and only if, and because it satisfies your desires. This makes desire satisfaction the only thing that's intrinsically valuable, that is, valuable in and of itself. Everything else we pursue, from wealth to health to friendship, only matters to the extent that it fulfills our desires. This makes desire satisfaction theory very different from hedonism. Hedonism says that pleasure or happiness is intrinsically good and everything else matters only because it leads to pleasure or happiness. Desire satisfaction theory rejects this idea. It says instead that what is intrinsically good depends on your desires. If you desire wealth, then having money is good for you. If you don't care about wealth, then money does nothing for your well-being. If you desire happiness, then being happy is good for you. But if you don't particularly care about being happy, then happiness itself is not what makes your life go well. The key point is that desire satisfaction, not happiness, is the standard. Let's consider some examples. Suppose you have no interest in being wealthy. You live a simple life and money beyond your needs doesn't matter to you. According to desire satisfaction theory, becoming rich would not improve your life because it doesn't satisfy a desire you actually have. On the other hand, suppose you have a deep desire to learn a new language. You work hard, succeed, and finally become fluent. Even if this doesn't make you especially happy or bring physical pleasure, your life is better because your desire has been fulfilled. Desire satisfaction theory explains why the life of someone who pursues personal projects, goals, and passions can be good, even if it isn't filled with constant happiness or pleasure. Why does this theory appeal to so many? For one thing, it seems to fit with our everyday intuition. Life feels like it goes better when we get what we want, and worse when we don't. Desire satisfaction theory also gives us a sense of personal authority over our well-being. It says that you are the one who decides what makes your life go well, not society, tradition, or even philosophers. Your desires are the measure of your flourishing. Before we move on, here's a reflection for you. Think about a desire you've had in your own life that's shaped your choices. Maybe it was the desire to complete your degree. Maybe it was to travel. Maybe it was to start a family or to pursue a career. Did fulfilling that desire make your life better, even aside from happiness or physical pleasure? Or did it sometimes make life harder but still feel worthwhile? Keep those questions in mind as we move forward because this will help us evaluate both the strengths and weaknesses of desire satisfaction theory. Alright y'all, that's all for now. If you're interested in more videos about philosophy and ethics, check out the videos posted on our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.